What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Fishing and Dripping with your boy Tap, man. Today, you see who I got with me, boy? K.O.B, King of Bass, man. We done had us a good day, man. We done had us a good day. First of many, man. Nothing but love and respect for you, bro. First time we fished together, man, and y'all check out some of these good catches we had.
I appreciate it. We got many more. We got many more in store, guys.
You already know, just the first. Out that day, bro. You started out that day. Oh my God. You know how you started out that day, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, my boy. He told me they in here, man. Bro told me they was in here, bro. He told me they was in here, my boy. Oh, look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. My God. My God. Look at that, bro. Look at that. That's a bass, boy. Look at that, boy. Come on, man. They don't call him that for nothing, bro. They don't call him that for nothing, bro. Let me take that off, boy. You deserve that, boy. Oh, my God, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at how beautiful she is, boy. Ooh, wee, boy.
What you say?
What you say?
I love y'all. Thank y'all for coming out here today, okay?
Oh, bro.
I just love y'all.
Come on, bro.
Black
Look at
men,
that.
black men are in these days.
Let's get it, bro. My boy.
Good God, I'm
Man. I know you shaking, boy. I'm shaking with you, boy. Give me some, bro. Give me some, my boy. That's a good one. Thing on that, man. What's the name, man? What's the name, man? King of Bass. There we go. All day, every day, man.
Early in the morning.
Let's go, bro. Early in the morning.
Yeah, she breathing.
She breathing. She breathing. Let's go. We back in that water. Now it's time to stop playing. That right there done woke me up now. I'm up. Ain't no skunks today, man. Let's go. Boy, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm having one of the best fishing days already. I ain't caught me #1 fish, man. It's a good day. Oh no, I ain't. That wasn't no bite. That wasn't no bite. Okay, second little fish, man. Little dink, man. This is not gonna do it today. Not today. We'll see you later, boy. They coming, boy. We need them biggins, boy. That's somebody. From under that boat. Something on the hook right here. Top water. Something on the hook. Let's go, bro. Everything got still for a little while. It got still, man.
I mean, I didn't see nothing on the news. All indications said it was going to be hot like fire today.
Boy, you feel me? Let's go, bro.
Start recording.
Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Stay on. Stay on, bro. Stay on. Let's get it. That ain't what. Oh, it's the best one of the day for me. A 2-pounder. Oh boy, look at that blooper in his mouth. Look at that blooper in his mouth. Don't shake on me. He won't go nowhere. He got every hook in him. Got the fattest one of the day. Let's get him back in now, man. It's 2 off the top water in about the last 10 minutes. It might be finally top water time. Okay, I got the camera rolled on. My boy at it again, man. My boy at it again, man.
Come all the way out the water, man. Come all the way out the water.
My boy at it again, man. Oh, my boy at it again. My boy at it again, bro. At it again. That's a nice one.
She jumped back out.
That's a nice one, bro.
She don't want
That's a nice one, bro.
Ooh, she feisty,
My
boy.
boy
That's
is
a
at
feisty
it
man.
again, bro. Let's go, bro.
Good gracious.
What
Right
is
in the
that?
nose.
Right in the nose, man. Let me see up close of it. Right in the nose, bro.
You see, it's all in.
Let's go.
Oh,
Ooh, what good, man.
yeah. Watch this.
Ooh,
Keep the
good.
camera on me. Watch this.
Oh my God, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it up. Hold it up like this.
Ooh, come on, man. Come on. Oh, come on.
Yeah! Drippin', we fishin'.
Oh, right in the top of his mouth, man. Top water, right on the top of his mouth. Oh, let's go, man. I'm live with it, man. Let's go. Oh, look at that, man. Boy, look at that hook set. He wasn't going nowhere.
All up in there. You know we got our cameras on. You see that?
Oh, he wasn't going nowhere.
Cheers, man. You know, we got our cameras on. We recording it all because, you know, special things happen on special days, man. Throw that there one more time.
Oh.
Check y'all out. Listen. Go back and rewind. Those of you new.
That's what I say, man.
The boy good, but the parent jacked up.
Yeah. Oh, I know you ran across a couple of them.
Well, she want to start. She want to start dating. She has to.
Yeah, come on, bro. Oh. Damn. Come on, bro. He was hooked in his eye. That's right. He's like, damn, bro. You done got me.